I saw a red Viper one day and his license plate said, "Bye-bye C5."
Bye-bye C5. Love it.
Yeah, you got it.
This is the closing car show of 2021. Cars and Coverica, one of my favorites. It's a good showing of exotics that show up, and it's only owners, so you know you don't get a bunch of swarms around the cars and stuff like that. You can talk with other owners, and it's a great experience. So this is their closing car show today. We're running a bit late because Facebook had a glitch. I didn't know if it started at 9 or 10. It started at 9 all year, but Facebook was saying 10, so we'll show about 20 minutes late. We got Ashley Schmidt in the car. She's holding the camera right now. She had to get ready. That's also why we're running a bit late. But so here's that Pagani here in Dallas.
20th, I think.
It's beautiful. He's got no problem going over these bumps. Speed bumps. We got the cunning sag over there. What a great turn. Wow. Coffee. We got DuPont Registry magazine. Got my water. Sandwiched between two Lambos.
Can't get over the speed bump.
Uh-oh, he's having some troubles. Let's go check it out.
I'm surprised there's someone having fun.
Where? Oh yeah, it is like a forest green. She loves the forest green. Oh man. Oh man, inches, millimeters.
Barely made it over that.
That thing is unbelievable. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Sierra. Montana plates, avoid that taxes.
What's going on, Rose? Good to see you, man. It's always
You know, I always have a hard time telling the difference between a 360 and 430. I believe that's a 360. I'll get crucified if I'm wrong, but Cat in the Maserati 4C. And I believe this is, if this is the guy, if he's really tall in the Ford GT, he's a soccer player for Dallas Football Club. This guy.
FC Dallas?
FC Dallas. Yeah, no problem at all. Yeah, that's him. Oh, I love that. I love that. Ford, yeah, there you go. Let's go, let's keep looking.
I want to go look at the Bentley.
The Bentley? Oh, man. So Schmidt wants a Bentley, but
Hello, how are you?
Dave,
I know.
Shipley's, every time you start posting about these like old C4s, I'm like, dude, get a Gen 2. Like if you want something that crude and yep. Why don't you back up? Try and come at an angle. So I forget, these grays were made only certain years. There we go. That's the stuff. Yeah, but man, that's what you should get. Like,
I don't like the gray.
you already have 2 Corvettes. I guess you have 2 Vipers.
Well, no, I actually was looking at RT years ago.
Everything's
The Tesla.
So first thing she said is, I want to look at the Bentley. So here we are. This yours?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say this thing's sweet.
There's a bar in the back and white. Is
What
this supposed
bar?
to be a seat?
Oh, you know what? This has got to be some sort of performance model. Let's say super sport. Bentley what? Bentley. Got nothing. So that's probably to stiffen up the chassis. This carbon fiber bar. It's pretty sweet. It's a luggage space. Stiffen it up and keep luggage maybe. Dual purpose. Looks pretty sweet. Looks pretty sweet. What else should we look at? We love your Ford GT, by the way. We met at the, what one was it? I don't know, it was a random event up like north of us in McKinney. Right? Yeah, I got the RT10.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it's like, you know, people buy cars, it's like,
The stereotype.
yeah. Were you looking specifically for red when you were looking? Yeah. That's awesome.
Got to the point where I was considering other ones.
The perfect one came up and just.
Yeah.
How long you had it?
A year.
Was that before all the prices got crazy, or kind of
Yeah,
on the way
it's
up?
like right. It was
Yeah.
kind of like right at the beginning, but
Yeah.
I got in.
Well, there you go. Investment. Oh yeah, that's badass. Check that one out. I wonder if that ever came. If that's original.
Look at that orange.
I don't know if I've. I don't know if I've ever seen an orange interior. No chance. Not with the roof on. He needs with the Mustangs he looks at. He needs one with the tilt-away steering wheel. And he's so big.
Yeah.
So that's like specifically what he's looking for. God, this thing is beautiful. Look at the black. It's a Corvette C2.
Handy. Look at the bumper.
That's beautiful.
The driver's license.
56. Oh, mate, never mind then. This is probably a C1. What's going on, CB? Check out this wagon. Sounds mean. And here we go. This is the Cutting Said Regera here in Dallas. I've seen this thing a couple times up close, but not this close. The detail is unbelievable with these wheels, that gold, the turquoise, the carbon. Wow. I mean, like, look at these fasteners, right? They're each gold. I mean, just the attention to detail is incredible. Gold gas cap. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Would you? It probably would be, yeah. It's got a triple X suspension. Not sure what that is, but we love it. Looks awesome.
Freaking rad. That's my
And the guy that owns this also owns this over here. And I've posted pictures of this one on the Instagram before. It's just unbelievable.
Who's the signature?
The what? Pagani Ferrari, whatever. The guy that owns the company, I think that's his initials or his name. I guess. He's like a, that's weird. Yeah, he's built some amazing stuff.
Visit merrilledge.com/.
Look at that. Like,
I know. I got pictures of the exhaust. It's unbelievable. All titanium. Oh, you're good. You're good. And then we got Dave Dess blue Acura. I believe this is Bowman's. I can't tell. No, actually, this is Daniel's.
Right now is the right time to find your next Chevy truck. It's time to forge ahead
Isn't this a manual? Or automatic?
Yeah, this is automatic.
So I can drive it.
You could drive this one. So if you ask Dave,
Yeah.
Dave ever sees this, Schmidt wants to drive it. And then the guy who owns this Ford GT, like I said, plays for the Dallas Football Club. Just a really cool event. So I just was able to get this confirmed as a real slant nose, which is incredible. Super rare spec. You just never see these. I figured it was a kit car, but I should have known better. Being with a quality show like this, it would have been the real deal. I have no idea what these are valued at, probably a couple $100,000, but just incredible. So we just got the tour of this. You can basically rent out a facility like this at this location. It's called Granbury. And I mean, if your wife wants to park the car in the garage, but you got your toys, this is something that you do. And hey, now I can put my Beamer, Ferrari, my little key car, and my Beamer up on the lift there. So this is how you could store your stuff. This 328 is just beautiful though. Beautiful paint. Look at this interior. It's absolutely perfect. Gated manual. Look at this. It's beautiful. I mean, very, very. The tiny little handle. Well, this is a tiny little car right here. This little thing. I bet I could probably pick up one side of this if I wanted to. 8,500 RPM red line. That's pretty impressive. So it says it's a Honda Beat. That's what this thing is. Go stand next to it.
Like down next to it. For comparison.
You're dwarfing it. Look at that. That's awesome. So this is the dream. Get something like this. I mean, it'd be great to have it connected to the house and just put a huge structure like this, but that'll take a lot of money. So yeah, pretty cool little place here. Cool car show. Let's go check out some more stuff. I do like the turquoise though and the gold.
Drive that much money around.
Oh man, look at that! Look at the catch it in the light. That sounds incredible though. It sounds like a big V8. I know it's not, but that's gonna sound incredible when they get on it out there. So
There we go.
all right, that concludes the Coverica events for 2021. It was a great show, great time. Thank you for having us again. This was awesome. So it's done till 2022?
We're done skis for a little while. We're
Okay.
gonna take a little break for the holidays.
Absolutely.
So, we'll kick it back up probably in like March, April.
Okay.
Once the weather starts warming up and
Sure.
getting sunny again.
Enjoyable. Not freezing our
just
butts
enjoy a
off.
little time off, just hang out and do the holiday stuff. But man, you've really, I think you've been to all of our shows this year.
I the one in October I didn't go to because we've been traveling to like all the
You guys-
COVID weddings.
Yeah.
They're happening now,
But,
So
you guys have been super supportive in coming
yeah.
out, so we
Dude,
appreciate that.
we like it because it's only like the owners that are here, so you get to talk to a lot of people that
Yeah.
typically you wouldn't get to talk to. So
There is a guy in my neighborhood that has a red RT10 that he daily drives.
oh my gosh.
I see him because I live like on the corner house from like the main entrance and exit of my neighborhood.
Yeah.
And I can hear it coming down the street, so I know when he's coming and going.
You can hear it, huh?
Yeah, it's distinct, right?
I would love to get like one with higher miles that I could drive around.
I can
Like
daily drive in
it-
a Viper.
I love this
In the
stuff.
rain, whatever. So it's pretty cool.
Well, take it easy. Nice meeting you this year, and we'll see you in 2022.
Yeah, yes sir. Have a good weekend.
You too. All right. Well, that's Josh.
Oh, there goes.
He runs this stuff. Take it easy, guys.
Bye, Dave.
Going to breakfast?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna go get Virgil Pancake House.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
We're going to go to a wake. Park in Midway.
Where's that from here?
It's not that far. It's better than Original Pancake House.
No, no way.
No way, sir.
It's called a
You
wake.
disagree with that?
Yes. I'm recording you guys too.
Well, in the morning, it's not bad now, but coming here it'd be bad. Awake, Addison or Carrollton?
I
Carrollton?
think it might be technically Carrollton,
Yeah,
but it's
that's
basically
Carrollton.
Willow, like just south of Willow Bend.
Park and Midway.
No, that ain't it. That ain't it. That's too far.
It's west of Willow Bend Mall.
I just turned something on.
Just for fun, I'll tell you. I saw a red Viper one day, and his license plate said, "Bye bye C5."
Bye bye, C5. Love it.
Yeah, you got it.
Is it going?
Yeah.
That was a fun event. Time to go get breakfast.
It's starving.
I know. Well, we just got done with the last Cars and Coverica, and we do our traditional original pancake house breakfast. Got the 2x2x3. Pretty pumped about that. So here's the next year Cars and Coverica.